Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last month and how the price of silver can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen that this is the particular range from August 2020 that the price of silver is moving in this particular range. Okay, and the range high is around 30, okay, and a low of around, if you look at the chart, is 21.3. This is the range where the price of silver has moved. Okay, now before that we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding silver or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com. okay, and a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. Suppose if this particular level sustain, what we can see, if this particular level sustain, then we can see yes, a probability of going towards a level of 22.844 will be there. Okay, because this is the particular first resistance, and this particular resistance sustain, then we can see it can move towards a level of 23.334. okay, and once this particular level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 23.736. okay, and if it goes over this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 23.959. okay, and once this particular level sustain, then we can see it can move towards a level of 24.092, and from there if goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 24.271. okay, and once this particular level sustain, then we can see it can move towards a level of 24.672, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 24.895. okay, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 25.249, and this particular level is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can move towards a level of 25.875, and from there we can see it can come to a level of 26.276. okay, and then we can see this particular range will be move upside, and then we can see a level of 26.900, and from there we can see it can move further upside. But suppose the market is uncertain, we never know that we can just predict that with the market as per the trend. But suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 22.176. okay, and this particular level is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can touch a level of 21.819, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 21.507. okay, once this particular level didn't sustain this particular level, then we can see it can fall further, and can from there we can see it can move to a level of 19.546. understand one thing, I was keep repeating you from 2-3 months, that if the price didn't sustain this particular level, okay, then we can see it can touch a level of 22.220. once this particular level goes downside, then we can see it can fall further and can touch a level of 22.086. okay, from there if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 21.908. okay, and once if it goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 21.641. okay, once the price goes below a level of 21.641, what we can see, it can touch a level of 21.418. okay, and this level is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can fall further towards a level of 19.501. sorry, that is around 19.679, and from there if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 19.501, and if it goes below that, then we can see a level of 18.996. any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Now understand something, okay, trading is risky, and if you are investing, please consult your financial advisor before investing or trading. okay, now suppose if you are trading and you are if you are trading with $10,000, what you can do, suppose if you are taking 5 trades, you should know that you should be trading with around 10 to 15% of capital per trade. So that means around 1000 to 1500 if your capital is 10,000. so, and risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100. suppose if you trade 5 times, you know your risk will be $500 max. if you lose all 5 trades, you know that you can trade next day with an ease. Rather than recovering this amount, you can focus more on profit. That is very important, focusing more on profit than recovering the amount. If you are patient, if you are following the particular rule, then only you will be successful in trading. Otherwise, if you blindly follow and do trade as per your own things, then a problem can occur and you can lose your full capital. okay, now you can mail me. I do this teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, you can mail me, and then we can work out on it. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.